Now, let's talk about the security issue with Wi-Fi. How many of you have wireless systems set up at home? How many of you have secure Wi-Fi systems sitting at home? That's pretty good, so we know what they are. When you are home and you've put a security code into your router, this means that only people that know that security code can get into your system and see what you're doing on the computer, correct? What happens when you go into Starbucks? I don't like to pick on Starbucks, but Starbucks is a good example. They offer free Wi-Fi, which means if I'm having a cup of coffee next to you, and you're sitting there, and you're sitting there, and we're all using the same Wi-Fi network, technically, what could happen? We could all see what everybody else is doing, because there's no security there as well. Hotels, which give you common access to a wireless system, same situation, okay? It's an open Wi-Fi system. You go to the JetBlue terminal sitting out at Kennedy Airport, and I know I'm using JetBlue because I've been there, okay? You can get on the internet, but it's not secure, because every one of us can get on the internet. No one's putting in a security code. You may be accepting that they're terms, but that's not a security code. What does that mean? That means that I'm not going to do any online banking. I'm not going to check my portfolios, because what do they require? They require a username and a password. And any techie can go in and watch your keystrokes. So if you are going to be using Wi-Fi in an unsecured area, beware of what you do. Now, I personally could care less about who sees my emails. Okay? I don't care. Some people do care. I don't care. So I will go and I'll use get my emails in an unsecured area. Okay? But again, if I want to check my bank balances, or I get a call from my daughter up at college and says, "Dad, I need some money," I can be in a Wi-Fi area and I can transfer money using this guy over here, but I'm not going to do it in Starbucks, I'm not going to do it from the JetBlue airport, and I'm probably not going to do it from most places, or any place that doesn't have a secured system.